Minister of IT, Ms. Anusha Rahman, launched National Incubation Center with Jazz. The National Incubation Center will provide startups with a free-of-cost workspace, incubation, acceleration, funds and access to 50 million plus mobile customers. This National Incubation Center in the first year will house 40 startups with access to the state-of-art global facility. Services include free broadband internet, silent rooms, gaming zones, best business leaders as mentors, and innovation lab designed on international standards. Minister of IT, Ms. Anusha Rahman said, the launch of National Incubation Center is an important milestone in digital Pakistan.
Building blocks of the knowledge economy are startups, whether it's an Apple or Amazon, or it's a Paytm or a Flipkart in India, or it's an Alibaba or Tencent in China. These are all startups. They start off with a $150,000 investment or a $500,000 or $1 million investment, and over time, after subsequent rounds, they become huge companies and they build a knowledge economy.
Actions define everything. You need a vision. You absolutely need to have that vision, but a vision without action doesn't amount to much.
There can be thousands of reasons of not doing anything. I can make excuses that this thing cannot be done because I don't have the environment to work, because there is this problem there, because this person is not letting me do this, or that person is not letting me do that. But I think when there is a will, there is a way. You can do things.
I would want to have a tech city in Islamabad. I have a 60% youth population. My youngsters are buzzing with ICT. We had done the spectrum auction by then.
There were about 600 applications. उसमें से हमने क्वांटिटी हमें मिल गई थी, क्वालिटी को रिफाइन करना था, और उसके लिए हमने देखा है कि जी आइडिया जो है वो स्केलेबल है कि नहीं है, टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ रिलेटेड है या नहीं है, और ये हमारा पहला सीज़न है. आज हमारी बिल्डिंग रेडी हुई है. So the first lot is here. As we go to the second lot, of course, we will do a lot more marketing about it, but we also had to manage it because we were also not fully prepared.
Actually, I am kind of stunned because once I came here, I was not expecting कि इतनी आला quality के ideas होंगे और इतने workable business cases होंगे. But today I have seen that this young lot and these entrepreneurs, they have got really amazing ideas. इन्होंने बहुत ही workable and real to life opportunities या business cases develop किए हुए हैं.